Good evening. Today is Friday, December 1, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City, under Lac 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, December 1, 2023. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City, under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for December 1, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Friday, December 1, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.